Walmart took down your listing. Here's how to get it reinstated fast. So you can see right here, there's an error status on this Pokemon card game, and we want to get it reinstated ASAP. And step number one is to click on the errors to see why is there an error. So right now, this item needs pre-approval. And then next, it also has intellectual property claim, which is completely fake. I'm going to explain that in today's video. So we're going to go through most of the reasons, right? So you're going to click the errors so you can actually see what's wrong with it first. And make sure if it does have a next button, you go to the next button because you have to resolve both of these issues, okay? So there's two issues on this listing. And then we have number two, sometimes it needs pre-approval. This one says pre-approval right here, so that's what we're going to discuss. Number three is sometimes the price is too high. Number four is infringement. There's two types of infringements. There's robot and there's real infringement. So this one looks like a robot infringement because if we check our email, I've never actually gotten an intellectual property claim for this item because I've never actually sold it. So that one is a fake one. That means it's a robot claim. Okay? And then there's a real claim when somebody, Pokemon themselves, actually report you. That one is a different one. Number five, it's not allowed to be sold on Walmart. Number six is other. So if there's something else that I haven't mentioned, we're going to be discussing that as well. But first, we talked about clicking on the errors, and now you know what the two errors are on your product. Sometimes it's just one, sometimes it's two, sometimes it's three, right? You want to check the error status and then work to resolve it one step at a time. Now, for pre-approval, this is where most errors come from, right? Where they're like, okay, whoever sells Pokemon now, we need proof that it's authentic, and then we'll let you sell it. It's that simple. It's like gating on Amazon, so you want to get ungated. And this is what they're going to ask you. So they're going to ask you, what types of products will you be listing? What brands will you be offering? Are all the items on hand? Where are your suppliers located? How long have you been working with these suppliers? Are you able to provide your own images and content? Are you an authorized reseller? Are your suppliers authorized distributors for each of the brands they sell? They're also going to ask for invoices, okay? So make sure you get all of these and you do this to the best of your ability. So you just type in this, you can answer yourself. What brands will you be offering? Easy to answer. All your items on hand, just say yes. Where are your suppliers located? Make sure you give them the name and the address, and then make sure they're legit suppliers. How long have you been working with the suppliers? Put at least 2 years. Are you able to provide your own images? Say yes. Are you an authorized reseller? Say yes. Are your suppliers authorized distributors for the brand? Say yes. Okay. The main thing they're going to be looking at is the invoice. So they're going to ask for an invoice. Make sure it's real. And yeah, as long as it's real, then you're good to go. If it's not real, right, they're going to decline it. All right. They're not going to suspend you as of right now. They're going to decline it because we had some of our clients, they reached out to us. They're like, I submitted these invoices. I'm like, are they real? They're fake. I looked at what Walmart said, and Walmart was like, the invoices are fake. We're just going to close the request. They didn't suspend them, which was pretty crazy, but they could have. So they're not as harsh as Amazon yet. So just be ready for that. If you do submit fake invoices, you can try. I'm pretty sure Walmart actually calls. So I want you to be aware of that. Like they're actually going to call Pokemon or whoever and be like, hey, is this real? Okay. So just be wary about that. So that's for pre-approval. You're going to ask, you're going to reach out. So you're going to click this thing and say, hey, I need pre-approval. You're going to reach out to Walmart, and then they're going to ask for all of these. So have these ready ahead of time. Okay? It's going to take around 60 to 180 days to get reinstated. It just is what it is because Walmart's so damn slow. So you can open up multiple cases and give them the error and take screenshots of the error, and then you should be able to get it reinstated within 60 days, as long as everything's real, right? So number two we want to talk about is, well, number three is the price is too high. So if it says error, price is too high or whatever, if it's a pricing error, you need to contact Walmart and you need to show them that they're selling it for the correct price. So give them links to Amazon, give them links to eBay, give them links to Walmart, Macy's, like legit big name brand businesses, and show them that your price is not too high. Like your price is the same as the one on Amazon, or your price is the same one as Macy's or Dick's Sporting Goods. There's all these big brands. Walmart. You're already on Walmart. So you want to show them links to showcase that, to give them a reference, and they're only going to accept big name brands. So just be aware of that, and then the pricing error will disappear. If not, you can just decrease your pricing and the pricing error will disappear. Okay? Next is going to be infringement. So there's two types of infringement. There's robot infringement and there's real infringement. Robot infringement is when you put the word Pokemon in your title and then Walmart just randomly removes you. That's a robot. Nobody actually reported you. Pokemon didn't find you and report you. That's just a robot if you just come into your listing one day and it's just taken down because you have the word Pokemon in it. So all you have to do is edit your listing and remove the word Pokemon, and then it'll be reinstated. Also, if you have any Pokemon Pikachu, any Pokemon names in there, it may impact it. So if you don't know if it's a robot, what you can do is just change everything, your title, your bullet points, your description, change it all to like the word great. Be like, awesome package, great package, this is great, everything, just completely change it, and then you can use elimination to figure out what keyword it is. It's usually a trademark keyword like Pokemon or Pikachu or stuff like that. So if you just remove those, then you'll be good to go. If you edit the item and it can't be removed, you'll have to contact Walmart and say, hey, I need the word Pokemon removed, I accidentally added it. And once they remove it, Pokemon, Disney, whatever, Starbucks, once they remove it, then it'll automatically be reinstated. That's a robot removal. A real removal is you're going to receive an email from Walmart that says, Pokemon reported you. That one, the only way to get it reinstated is to do this, method. So you have to go back, you have to contact Walmart and show them that it's real, and then you'll be able to get it reinstated, right? So that's another method. Not allowed on Walmart. So this happens sometimes. Again, it's usually from a keyword. It could even be an image, but it's usually from a keyword. So I would recommend to do the same thing I told you, is to just completely clear all of the keywords, even change the images. So change the images and the keywords to random stuff and see if that fixes it. So change it to a toaster and say, great toaster, amazing toaster, and see if that automatically republishes it. Wait 24 hours, see if it automatically republishes it. If it does republish, then you know it's a keyword. So there's a keyword issue. If it doesn't republish, even if you changed it to a damn toaster, then you need to contact Walmart. But I'm telling you some loopholes so you can get this stuff up and back really. Most of the time, if we go back to the other, it's just a robot removing your listings and it's a keyword. So I like to change all of the keywords to like great toaster, change it to a toaster, right? And then all of a sudden it's reinstated and you figured out, oh, it's a keyword I used. I wasn't allowed to use this malicious keyword, or they thought this one was a pesticide keyword, right? Prevents, stops. You actually use the keyword cancer in your title or bullet points, right? It could take one keyword. So a lot of these issues are from keywords. If it's not from a keyword, then it could be pricing. And if it's not from pricing, then this is the hardest one. Well, it's not the hardest, it's the longest one to get reinstated because Walmart's so slow. But those are the ways to get to get your listings reinstated on Walmart. But that's it for today's video. If you do need help with reinstating a product issue on Walmart, you can drop questions below and I'll be happy to help. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video like reinstating your listings on Walmart, we can help you. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call with EHP Consulting Group. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. That's where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, reinstating your listings, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you don't have to look at your inventory all day, every day. You can help let us monitor it for you to save time, money, and we can increase your sales. Just contact EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.